I met you in a simple moment. Didn't know my world would change. Your voice felt like a warm horizon, calling out my name. We laughed like we had always known the secrets in our souls. I found a home inside your eyes, a place to make me whole. But love doesn't always choose freedom. Sometimes it wears heavy chains. They pulled our hands apart in silence, left us standing in the rain. Still my heart calls out your name at night, like a song you can't forget. We were two stars in the same sky, not touching, but never said. Baby, we were two stars